Welcome back to my channel. In this particular video, I'm going to cover very interesting topic called pipe. Pipe actually does, it changes the format of a text and value to some specific format. Like if an input is David in a small letter, we can change it into capital letter. If the input is 50, we can add the currency code, dollar, INR, Canadian dollar, Australian dollar, any other currency code we can add here. Suppose we have an input date 02 second slash 2020 and we can change the format of a date accordingly whatever the user would like to see. Now we will see all these example in the practical. Let's go to the Visual Studio and we'll see one by one. Let me first add one div, and inside this div I will add one span, and here I'll add one variable called name which is of type string. I'll say David, save it, and here using interpolation I would like to show the value, and let's run the program using ngserve. Now program compiled successfully. Let's go to the browser, type localhost 4200. See, it's print David. So it's very simple program. We have only shown the David. Now let's add pipe and called uppercase. So whatever the value was there, it will be in uppercase. It convert into the uppercase. Let's see it. Perfect, right? Now I'm going to provide the value in capital and we would like to see in lowercase. It's saved and compiled. Yeah. Perfect, right? Now I'll take other example of money. Say variable name money of type string. I'll say 50. Yeah, and we'll add br tag, and here I'll tag another span, and using interpolation I have added money, so it will show exactly 50. Yeah. Now I will add one currency, pipe. So the pipe I have added, and just type the currency. So the default, the symbol it will add as dollar, US dollar. Now it will change to dollar, right? Now here I can change to some other specific, like if I add say INR. INR is in short form of an Indian rupees. So now it's changed to rupees 50. Now I can say CAD, it's a Canadian dollar, so it will change to Canadian dollar symbol, right? Currency code, it's a currency code actually. Now we'll see the format of a date. So I'll say date 1 of a string type, let's say 02/August/2020, right? And save it. Now $1 will take another span and will show the as it is date. Let's go to the browser and see the result. Right, now we'll implement some format here. I'll say date and say medium and save it. See, while I have set the medium, so it changed the format to this one, right? And there are a few more. Let's say short, save it. So in this short format it will change the format of date, something like in this format. Yeah, so there are a few more of date format. You can search on the angular.io. So thank you for watching this video. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon and share the link with your friends and colleague. If you have any doubt to my previous videos, and please share the question in the comment box. I will be very happy to answer. Thank you so much.